Dude, I'm offended.
For real?
Why? I'm offended.
Why though?
Okay, let me tell you a story. So I was on the internet, right, watching drum videos. Then I came across this homie, and he was playing some stuff. Everything was going on well, right? Then he decides to exhibit some violence. Violence. Hello players, welcome back. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. In this video, I'm going to break down the drum fill you just heard because frankly, it is something else. I just don't know what it is, but it's something else. Maybe you can tell me in the comments what it is. It's just something else. To start off, put one hit on the first tom. Then play a 6-stroke roll on the snare drum. For the uninitiated, a 6-stroke roll is this. You will, however, have to practice this a lot because you have to get it from this to this. When you've conquered that, you move on to this, where you play the kick, the snare, and the first tom. So now we have 1, 2, and 3. So for now, let's put these parts together. So first we have this, then we have this, then we have this. So all together sounds like this. But we still have other parts of the drum fill to figure out. The Drum Chops Builder app is a revolutionary application that helps you to save your drum fills wherever you are. Never forget a drum fill idea again. Just save it on the app and come back and practice it on your drums. Download it onto your phone with the link in the description down below. So for the next section, you play a double kick with a crash on the last kick, then a snare drum hit like this. Next, one hit on the kick, one hit on the second tom, and one hit on the snare drum. Finally, this is the last section of the drum fill. What you're gonna do is, you're gonna smash the like button. Finally, a kick, a flam on the second tom, a kick, then a right-left on the floor tom. Then you crash, which is a kick and a crash. So let's play the second part together. I know it sounded like a lot, but when you put everything together, it's actually a very short drum fill if you play it right. So let's see how that sounds. When you're comfortable with that, you can play it faster and with the metronome, like this. Most people will just want to learn this drum fill exactly the way it is and just copy and paste it in their music. But you don't learn anything when you do that. Let me show you what I mean. If, for example, you take the beginning part of the drum fill, then you add your own ending to it. With that, you have a better understanding of how the concepts work and how to put things together on your own, and how to take this part and put it here and take that part and put it there, rather than trying to squeeze it within the beat you're playing and it doesn't fit and you're still trying to squeeze it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you would like some drumless tracks to practice this drum fill with, check out my website jaystiqs.com and you would have a bunch of tracks to download and practice your drumming along with. Also hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified every time there's a new tutorial or a new drum video out, so you can watch it onto your eyeballs and enjoy it and learn the stuff. As exciting as that drum fill is to play, maybe it's a little long for you. I don't know. But there's a drum fill that's only 4 notes. 4 notes. Yeah. Click here to watch it. It's exciting. Really is.